Are you struggling to find a buyer for your home? Before you give up, look at this video and find out the top reasons why your home may not be selling and learn how to fix them. By following our advice, you'll greatly improve your chances to sell your house in a reasonable time and at a top price. The first reason your house may not be selling is that you are not marketing your house correctly. You must market your property to your ideal buyer's desires by using keywords in your marketing that will attract them. By speaking directly to your likely buyers and arousing their interest, you'll get requests for house showings and increase your chances for an offer. Poorly taken photographs. Photographs are an integral part of marketing a home. The only way you can persuade a buyer to pick up the phone and schedule an appointment to see your house is with enticing ad copy and attention-grabbing photographs. To take a great photograph, you first need to properly set the stage. That doesn't mean you need to hire an interior designer nor spend thousands on redecorating your house. Cleaning, painting, and decluttering can help go a long way to making your home's pictures more attractive. In addition, make sure that your pictures have plenty of natural lighting and emphasize your room's best feature. Inflexible showing schedule. One sure way to discourage buyers from looking at your house is to insist on an unreasonable advance notice to schedule an appointment or to forbid showings on weekends or weeknights. Make it easy for buyers to schedule an appointment to see your house and be flexible with last-minute showings. It is common for buyers to block out an evening or weekend day to view several homes with their agent. If they see a house along the way that interests them, they may request to see the home at a moment's notice. Dirty and cluttered house. Starting from the exterior of your house, power wash the walkways, foundation, and siding. Look under porches, crawl spaces, behind your detached garage and sheds. These are areas we often use as a catch-all for leftover building material, automotive parts, and gardening supplies. Thoroughly clean out all these areas and discard any toxic materials appropriately. Once you've completed the above, look up. Here we mean literally look up. Clean out your gutters, trim overhanging tree limbs and replace missing or torn roofing shingles. Then move inside and clean and declutter your closets, basement, foyer, mud room and attic. Don't forget to clean under the bathroom and kitchen sinks, near the kitchen exhaust fans and around HVAC vents. And finally, remove furniture or personal items that may take up space or block the natural flow of one's movement. Foul odors that make your buyers cringe. There is no faster way to stop buyers dead in their tracks than a house that has an offensive smell. Start by asking a friend or relative who does not live with you to give your house a smell test and give you an honest and objective opinion. If they confirm that your house indeed smells, then you've got quite a bit of work cut out for you. Since unpleasant pet odors and smoke can penetrate carpets, drapes, furniture and even your walls, you should replace carpeting, throw out drapes and smelly furniture, and meticulously clean and paint ceilings and walls. Scary curb appeal. Make your buyers feel welcomed with a beautiful curb appeal. That includes well-pointed and clean walkways and stairs. A bright, freshly painted front door and a shiny and rust-free hardware on your home's main entrance. Prune your hedges, replace old or overgrown bushes, add colorful flowers and neatly mow your lawn. A pleasant curb appeal will draw buyers into the house and set the tone for what they will expect inside. Make sure you use that to your advantage. We have saved the most important reason a home does not sell for last. Pricing your home too high is the #1 reason your home may not be selling. If you have been overpricing your house so you can negotiate down to the market price, you're using a failed strategy. Your house will fail compared to other homes that are correctly priced in the same price range as your asking price. All the correctly priced houses that fall at or near your asking price will be better than your house. If you have followed all the tips and all your efforts to find a buyer have failed, there still is a way you can sell your house, guaranteed. Call us now and get a top dollar cash offer today. Count on us to understand your needs, provide solutions to your problems and deliver exceptional service.